Blessings, 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 blessings. Guys, this is my first second time using this thing recording. So bear with me. I'm just getting used to it. But anyway, um reason why I come on this live, I'm not really gonna talk too much on it. But first let me say big respect to Javani. Big respect to Javani, the YouTuber Javani. I came across this video um a while back, and I see where he was, you know, doing a lot of good deeds. Now, the one that really touched me was actually Mr. Andrew. It's funny, right? My name is Andre, so it's a bit close. Andre, and I also have a cousin by the name of Andrew. But anyway, um, I got the opportunity to speak to Mr. Andrew after watching that video. He speaks so fluently. He's a man that is very intellectual. He have brains. He's just maybe the drugs, you know, um, that caused him to really, in the situation that he's in. But I'm a person. I don't judge nobody. So I watched the video, and I literally cried when I saw that video. Now, when I spoke to him over the phone, actually I spoke to Giovanni, very good guy. I tell him that, I want to make a donation, which I'm not even going to disclose how much I donated. I did make my donation, and also I did spoke to Mr. Andrew. And people, he was so appreciative of the donation. And I was like, I'm from Bronx. And he was like, yeah, I know that place, It was just fun. It was just a great time, great moment in that shots by the time I spoke to him. A man full of life, you know. And I wanted to do more for him. But due to certain things that I'm going through, I wasn't able. But I see where a lot of people help out. And when I scrolled through YouTube and I saw the video of him laying on that hospital bed, badly beaten, bruised all over his body. And that was one of the reasons why Giovanni helped him and gave him that place. And he was there under his wings. But because of that substance, you understand? And that's why I say people stay away from drugs. Again, I am not here to judge, but it's very sad. It's very sad how people can just harm people like that. You see, your life is very fragile, people, and none of us give life. So we have no right to take another person's life. Secondly, we as people, we need to have love in our heart. The love one time is like it's all gone. Nobody have love, nobody can talk things out. Whatever the reason it is, I don't think you deserve it. As I say again, I'm not going to stay long on this topic. But I want to send my deepest condolence. My deepest condolence to his entire family. May God strengthen you and give you more grace. May God give you the strength you need in this time. May He comfort you. Also, I want to send prayers to Giovanni and his team for doing everything he could have done to help Mr. Andrew. Giovanni, you did a great job. Also, I want to big up the donors, persons that sent a donation to Mr. Andrew to help him, person that encouraged him in the comment section. Mr. Andrew, may your soul rest in peace. And may this be a learning lesson for every one of us out there. Whether you're on drugs, try to get off. Try to rehabilitate yourself. Get help. If you don't, stay away. Secondly, I'm talking to the youths, female, whoever. Let's be a brother keeper. Let's be a sister keeper. Let's talk things out. In spite of situation, somebody may do you wrong. And you feel as if you want to take that revenge. Take it out in a conversation rather than fists, rather than talk it out. Sad man, sad. That man was so intelligent. When you hear him speak, that's what really hurt me, man. When you hear him speak, people, he's a brilliant-minded person. Can't believe his shock. It's very shocking. You know, the story remind me of almost similar to Chucky Freelance Chucky. Yeah, it's just I'm in disbelief. I can't really believe that he really passed away.